Okay, so we've got a Kia Carnival. It's a December 2015 built, 2016 complied, 47,000 Ks. Automatic. So they call it the GDi. But in excellent condition. It's got the reverse camera, reverse sensors. It's got a great set of tyres on it. Just very good condition all the way around. Good service history. It's only got the low kilometres, representing good value at 26,999. Let's have a look at the inside. There's your multi-function steering wheel with the cruise control and your Bluetooth for your mobile phone. And the big stereo system. Got your dual zone climate air conditioning and air conditioning for the rear. Automatic transmission. Driver's seat in very good condition. Got side airbags coming out of the seats as well. Let's have a look at the back. Yeah, nice condition, all the seats all the way around. See if I can pop this forward, and then there's your third row seats there as well. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a ring.